Hi guys, this is Melanie here. Today I am going to show you a very quick recipe. This is going to be salted fish recipe, homemade. This is made out of catfish. I get this from Costco and a tray of fish fillet. This is a catfish fillet. They run about $18 to $20. You will need a pot and a lid or something to cover. And in here I add about a tablespoon of sugar and a couple of tablespoons of salt. You can cut back the salt once you don't like it too salty. And in here I also add 4 cups of just water, tap water. Give it a quick stir to dissolve, and quickly just pop these fish in. These fish are giant. They're pretty big fish and fresh, very clean, no smell. I like these a lot from Costco. And just make sure they're all submerged and close the lid, put the lid on, and pop these into the fridge for a couple of hours or next day or overnight. The longer you leave it in there is the saltier it will seep into the fish. So I did this overnight, and in the morning I just drained this out and move it around to kind of make sure excess water kind of removed for a little bit. And then that is it. It's time to just packaging and put them into Ziploc bag. I portion them into the sizes that I'm going to eat. I have a bag of 4, and this is the bag of 2. It's pretty big. I have to fold these bag, fold the fillets, and zip them tight. Put them in the freezer. That is it right there. Look out for another video coming up on how I prepare this. If you enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button to let me know, and subscribe for future Vietnamese or Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Thank you, and bye-bye.